I removed the rear panel of the water bench in the back of the van, and I'm gonna cut the hole for this auxiliary shower. This is just a nice little, shower head that comes out with your hot and cold. And I'm just gonna mount it. It's just a simple task that I can quickly get done, and then this thing won't be rattling around back in the bench compartment. So I'm gonna cut that out now and just get that mounted. Looks good. We'll screw it in. Okay, looks good. Let's go throw it back together in the wall. Come with me. Let's get in the shade. Ooh, that's better. All right, let me go get the part and I'll be right back. There's our screws here. We'll start with this one. All right, looks great. Another little thing done. Those little things add up. Yay.